Hey guys, Taylor Harden here at Funtown RV in Cleburne. Today we're going to be taking a look at the 2608BS from Rockwood. Let's get it. So we're going to start here in front with the FIC electric jack, plenty of power, docking light. No more are we having to crank that thing up and down. Rockwood comes standard issue with the oversized LP tanks, as well as dual batteries here in front, as opposed to most units that only come with one. The 2608BS is going to come in at about 8,700 pounds gross, so that's going to be towable by most of your half tons, 3/4 ton, and 1 tons. So here on the 2608BS, on the off-door side, underneath the master bed, we're going to have plenty of underneath storage. And then standard issue on all the Rockwoods, no more little plastic clips. These are the upgraded magnets. No more getting our head hit by these things falling down. So here in the back of the Rockwood, check with your sales rep. They are pre-wired for the Furrion backup cam. They come in 3 sizes, Bluetooth to the truck. Very nice add-on to have. Rockwood made it very easy. All of our plugs and hookups are right here in the back. City water, fresh water, black tank flush. Right here in the back of the coach, we're gonna have our hot and cold outdoor shower. We can hose off kids, boots, dogs, whatever we got, trying to keep the inside of this unit nice and clean. This unit is gonna come standard issue with the electric jacks from Lippert Components. So here on the door side of the 2608BS, the Rockwoods are gonna come with the utility bar. There's a number of different accessories that we can put on there, whether it be cutting boards, grills. Check with your sales rep on the availability of those accessories, as well as we have outdoor plugs, outdoor cable hookups, and the Rockwoods are going to come with the universal pre-mounted TV mount so we can get the outdoor entertainment going. So I'm not sure about everywhere else, but here at Funtown, these things come decked out with all the bells and whistles we can get. So that means more ride steps are going to come standard issue out here. So the benefits of the more ride steps, they're going to fold up into our cab. Gone are the days of having to fold these things up underneath, and in 6 months they're rusted out and you can barely operate them. All right, so we just took a quick look at the outside of the 2608BS. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe on the video. Let's check out the inside. All right, so as we jump into the 2608BS, we're going to see the KBI control panel. We're going to be able to check our battery and all of our tank levels at the push of a button. Easy push buttons controls all of our slides and awning. We're going to have the RV comfort. This is going to be hooked up to the 50 amp 2 ACs. We're going to have a 15K here in the front, and in the back master, we're going to have the 13.5. So we're going to be able to cool this thing down real quick, real fast. So right next to our control panels, we're going to have our big pantry. Good, deep shelves. Anytime we're looking at the pantries, we want to see, are they utilizing their space effectively, and Rockwood knocked this one out of the park. All right, so in the 2608BS, we're going to start off with our 10 cubic foot Dometic freezer and fridge. Good space for all of our groceries, keep them nice and cold. The Dometics are some of the higher end fridges that you're going to see come in these units. We're going to jump over to three burner stovetop, oven, microwave. Pretty standard issue on the Greystones. One of the first things you're going to notice about the 2608 is all the counter space. Plenty of space for the coffee makers, all of our dishes. You're not going to run out of room up here in this front kitchen. We're going to have the stainless steel sink with 2 sides, as well as the 2608 does a phenomenal job of all the cabinets and drawers. All right, so here on the slide of the 2608, we're going to have our oversized dinette. This is going to be wider than what you're expecting. We're also going to have good cabinets for our underneath storage, and Rockwood did a really cool job of making this table to where we can move it around and have the flexibility to do with it what we need to, whether that's using it as a traditional dinette on the inside, or if we want to take it outside for some of our outdoor kitchen grilling. So next to our oversized dinette, we're going to have the Millersburg collection sofa with the foot flip down armchair. USB ports and plugs, as well as we're going to have the adjustable lumbar support. Here in the entertainment center, we're going to have standard issue Insignia TVs mounted on the swivel mounts. It's going to come with soundbar, as well as the IRV Technologies radio, zones 1, 2, HDMI, as well as our aux cables, and we can Bluetooth to it. We're going to have the electric fireplace. Main questions we get on these, is it gas and electric or just electric? It's just electric. We're not using any of our LP gas for it. The second question is, do they dump a lot of heat? This size unit will sweat you out of here if you want it to, or we can just leave the lights on for the ambiance with no heat. It's up to you. So here in the 2608 pass-through bathroom, we're going to have the corner-oriented shower, good medicine cabinet, good space all the way around, and Rockwood did a really good job of using the sliding door to save on space. Hey guys, still there? Let's check out the master. So as we come into the master bedroom of the 2608, Rockwood had a really good idea. They put a east-west oriented bed instead of the traditional north-south. That's going to open this room up because our bed's on a slide. There's no more having to climb over people to try and get in bed. We have plenty of space to walk around and do everything we need to. We're going to have TV location here, plugs, cable, satellite. One of the things you're going to keep noticing about the 2608 is all the space, and that continues with our massive closet as well. They included additional drawers underneath, nice deep drawers. We can get plenty of clothes in there. Like I said earlier, this is a 50 amp unit with 2 ACs, 15K in the front, 13.5 here on the master, and this one is not ducted. It is solely for the master bedroom, so we can get the master chilled, cooled off real fast, nice and easy. Today we took a look at the 2608BS from Rockwood. Like, share, and subscribe on the video, and as always, the fun starts here.